gift card, and now it works. I think I'm connected on the Wi-Fi on my phone, but my LAN is totally FUCK'd. I'm trying to get this to work. I can't even check on my computer right now. I'm on Windows 7 right now, trying to get this to work. I'm gonna have to go over it again. Now, what am I connected on? According to this, I'm connected to, I don't know. Right, so let me just so I was trying to explain, but the gift card service was just too slow. It was cutting me out. The full duplex, there is no LAN communication. There is when you're using a local area network connection, you have an receive and send. You have send and receive on the data. There is no send and receive going on because there's no IP address assigned to my computer, because the local area network on the back of this FUCK thing, the yellow socket, it is not communicating with my computer. So the LAN is fried, because they did something this morning on HUAWEI, did something. Either it was some kind of a firmware upgrade, I don't know, but at 5 o'clock AM this morning we had a power outage which lasted literally 1 second. The reason I know that is because my uninterruptible power supply here clicked this morning. It went, it started to generate power because the power went off. It went and it came back on again. So it was a short cycle, right? Very short cycle. But after that happened, this router lost internet connection. I couldn't connect back to the internet, and I've been trying ever since. And I've been in touch with HUAWEI 3 about 4 times now, 5 times, because the what the hell? I want the, where's the flipping? I want my network thing to come up. Where the hell? Even TeamViewer can't connect either. I think that's disabled now anyway. Just a minute, where's the network thing? Oh, I've got to go to computer. I hate Windows 7, I really do, but I'm in here because it's newer, and they'll probably tell me that my operating system is too old, it's obsolete, so I've been using Windows 7 just to be able to try to sort this out, which I hate doing anyway. Where's network? Network, come on, where? Look. I hate Windows 7. Network and sharing center, right? Click on that. Alright, so what I've got basically is the fact that my computer's not even been assigned an IP address because the LAN has been disabled on the router and it cannot communicate. I haven't changed anything. It's an unidentified network because I don't have an IP address. It will not give me an IP address because the router will not give me an IP address. That's what's supposed to be the DHCP server. That's the Dynamic Host Control Protocol. I'm getting really annoyed now. So the Dynamic Host Control Protocol is not working because the router is not talking to my computer anymore. Right, so are you looking at the screen? Right, I'm going to type in ipconfig. Right, ipconfig space dash all, enter, and obviously I got virtual machines in here and everything, but if we scroll up to where my computer should be, you'll see that I have no IP address. There's nothing there. All this stuff, that's the data for the network card. The other IP addresses are to do with the virtual server, the virtual machine, which is further down. It's the virtual machine down there, so that's nothing, that's not relevant. That gets IP addresses all the time because it's virtual. Virtual works better than the flipping real thing. So I cannot get an IP address because of... So I've been at this all morning, and if anyone is wondering why I don't make any YouTube videos at the moment, it's because of this. And so I'm going to reboot into Windows XP now. Oh, where's my stand gone? Where's my computer stand? Just a minute, I'm going to put this on here because I think I'm connected through the phone, through the Wi-Fi to the router, but it won't. The LAN is not working. They've fried it. They've totally wrecked it. And that's the whole point of having the internet on my computer. Right, so just let me put this over here. Right. I'm just gonna kill that because Windows 7 is so unstable. Right, so I'm going to try and boot into Windows XP, and I'll show you what I mean, because it's easy to navigate. Oh, my wire arrived, by the way. I'm at the point where, let's try number 3 actually. Let's try my other XP. I've got another XP. I've got more than one XP. I've got 2 XPs. Try number XP number 2. I haven't booted into the XP number 2 for a long time. Oh, now we're filming. Well, I don't know if you heard any of that. I decided to leave the live stream going because I don't know if it picked any audio up. Come on, go away. Obviously nothing on here is working because... Oh. Right, so my internet... I'm on a different system, aren't I, right now? So, what does my firewall say? My firewall says nothing, because I'm not connected to anything. Because the fucking router's knackered. So... Right. So, router can't even find the interface. The interface, it says... What the hell's that? That's the virtual machine, I think. What the hell is 169.254.16? What the hell is that? That is not my IP. That's not. I mean, my computer doesn't have that IP address. What the hell is that? I mean, look. Let's go to IP config. Let's make this bigger. I need to make my font bigger with it or something. Try 90. Oh, it's still small. Flipping heck. I want bigger text. Font. Oh, the font. That's it. Here we go. Right. Okay, we've got bigger text now. Maybe you can see this. Bring it down a bit. Go back there a minute. Font, I want bigger than that. Right, current window only. It's not a lot bigger, but maybe you can see it. Right, IP config -O. I have no IP address still. She was going to give me a load of bullshit, right? Saying that I talked to my supervisors and because you have internet connection on your Wi-Fi, we consider that to be a working service. I said no, it's not working because that is not the purpose why I bought the bloody thing. Anyway, you heard the conversation. She was trying to fog me off with something like, oh well, it's that the service is working. No, it's not working. The device is faulty. Anyway, I really gave her it anyway, whatever. I'm sick of this shit anyway. This is what they do. They try to circumvent their responsibilities. I told her anyway, I'm going to cancel the service if she doesn't sort this out. So that's that XP version. That can't connect. So let's go to the other XP version. And you saw the plug it's plugged in. I got it plugged in, but yeah. She stings like a bee, by the way. I'll go to the usual XP that I'm using. I could try Windows 7. Sorry, Windows XP x64-bit as well. Actually, I might try that. After we've rebooted into this system, I'm going to reboot again into the other one and see Windows 64-bit, XP 64-bit, see if that's any different. Come on, what's taking you so long? It's all these reboots, it's starting to freak out on me. Yeah, my network is not working. It says I'm connected, but I'm not. It sent 128 packets and it's only received one packet. And that's probably the packet that says unknown or invalid network. What the hell is that? That is not my IP address. That is not my IP address. What the hell is that? Just a minute. Right, let's try this again. IP config -o. What? No, that's not right. 192, no, 192.168. And now it's, no, I haven't got one. There it is. That's the virtual machine. The virtual machine is showing up. So it's got a virtual machine connection thing, but that's not my IP address, because look, right here, Well, I'm supposed to have an IP address. I don't have one. This is unknown. So they're totally messed up somehow. The virtual machine has an IP address, obviously, because it creates a virtual internet. But I've got no internet connection. I'll show you on my watch. Right, open my browser. Come on. Restore previous session. Nope, nothing. Dead. That one. This is YouTube, by the way. YouTube address. If I zoom in. Oops. Nope. It's fried, whatever. Right, let's try the Windows X. Oh, I've got to wait for my batch to finish. I think. My batch is still running.
Batch completed successfully.
Alright, I'll wait for that to run out. Should die in a second. If I try to reboot while the battery is running, I get terminate application, and I don't like doing that. Right, okay, that's finished. Right, let's try. Well, to prove that my network is plugged in, because my network is plugged in, I'm going to unplug the network cable. Right, I'm going to unplug the network cable now. Right. So the network cable is now unplugged. Hang on. Oh, actually, I've unplugged the main one. I haven't plugged it. Ah, now it says. Oh, what the hell? Something's weird going on here. Hang on a minute. I need to unplug the other one. The one to the switch is still connected in. Which one is it? I want to unplug. Is it that one? There we go. It says unplugged. Right. So. I'll zoom in. Oops. Now it says the network cable is unplugged. That's right. So it was plugged in. Now it's not. Plug it back in again. Alright, we're plugged in. Right, so now it should be. It's looking. Acquire a network address. Good luck with that. Can't get a network address. Because they don't routers knackered. You know, I think that they tried to put a firmware upgrade this morning and they've disabled the LAN by default. That's what I think they've done, and I don't know how to turn it back on again. All right, let's try. Oh, this is useless. I'm just gonna see if I can log in on my other phone. Right. Right, let's just bring this over here a minute. Right, if I can't remember what my freaking password is. I stuck it in the back of this other phone, didn't I? Hang on a minute. They messed it up somewhere. Just a minute. Flipping heck, what have they done to this thing? I keep getting these stupid dots which aren't valid. Hang on a minute. Don't want to show my password, even if it's wrong. It's probably not going to work. Oh my god, it worked. Shit, I don't believe it. So let me find out if the LAN is actually turned off. If they turn the flipping LAN off, where do we go to? Devices. Have they freaking well turned the LAN off? Network settings. So I can't connect on my computer, you saw. It won't let me connect. Oh, Ethernet, that's what I want. Ethernet. Have they turned it off, the bastards? Please do not edit unless absolutely necessary. Ah, look, look. They've done something. It looks like it's turned off. Something. Hang on a minute. Username. That's blank. Please do not edit them. They must think I'm a fucking idiot. Sorry. What? Clone MAC address. Do not clone. What the hell? This is disabled. Right. They've done something here to my local area network. They turned the MAC address off. Idiots. The MAC address for the router was disabled. It was just set to do not clone. So it's definitely them idiots that have done this. What's this? Set DNS server manually. MQ size 1440. That looks right. Sorry, you wanted to see properly, but there's no username in it. It says PPOE. I don't use PPOE. Connection mode auto. This is Ethernet. There's no more I'm having trouble. Ethernet status. Yeah, they've disabled it, look. Right, are you watching? It says no days, no hours, no minute, no seconds. Ethernet is not working. And look what it says here. Look what it says here for Ethernet. They disabled my Ethernet. Disconnected. Connection mode, LAN only. IP address, unknown. Look, they fucked it up, look. IP address, look. You see that there? They've done an upgrade. They've done a firmware upgrade of some sort, and they've totally trashed my Ethernet. My IP address unknown, subnet mask unknown, default gateway unknown, primary DNS server unknown, secondary DNS server unknown. It's all. This is what I mean. This is what they've done, and I told them to send me another router. So I need to show them this when they come. Actually, I can't. I've got to take my card out because they're going to show up and then disappear on me really quick. So, actually, sorry, I'm going to have to end this live stream because I want to take some pictures of this. I want to send some pictures of this to somehow. I don't know how I can send it, but I've got no email at the moment. But actually, it's in the video, which is the main thing. So, look at all the stuff on there. The Ethernet is totally messed up. It says all unknown, right? All unknown Ethernet. This is. So it's them that's done this, not me. Doesn't have a gateway. Doesn't have a primary DNS server. Doesn't have a secondary DNS server. This is their fault. Ethernet status. Yeah, it's them. They fucked it up. They fucked the router up. So, well, at least I can send this video to a friend of mine, and I'm going to ask him if he can somehow send it to to 3 to show them what the problem is, because I don't know if I can do that actually. Tools. Come on. What have I done now? Where have I gone now? Oh, flipping heck. I just want to be back on network settings. Ethernet. Auto. There's no username. This is what they've done. They've changed something because it says, look, no username. I was going to put in the default. Come on, type it, will you? I don't want capitals. Default was admin. Oh, I put capital A again. I want lowercase. Admin. I'm just putting the defaults back the way they should be. You're talking to me like I'm a dumbass or something. So DNS server manually. I'll put this thing on now. Look, the DNS server details, look. Not. Secondary DNS server, not. They fucked that up as well. So they've basically disabled the LAN, right? This is the proof. They have disabled my local area network, so the only things that can connect to this router are Wi-Fi, which is a pile of shit. Sorry, excuse me, because I'm really pissed off now. I've been at this for over nearly 8 hours. It's getting up for 8 hours. So right now I know for a fact. I confirmed it that the LAN has been disabled. The Ethernet has been disabled. The LAN is the same as the Ethernet, by the way. Right, so on Monday they're going to send me another one. Okay, end of the live stream. I'm hoping that this went onto YouTube. It better have done, otherwise I've been talking to myself. Right, bye for now.